Welcome to the video showing you how to program the slope formula into your TI-84. So start off going to Program, New, and let's call it Slope. To access, to start off with, we're going to go to Program and then Input Output. So we could start off by telling the user what they need to input. I'm going to put it into alpha lock, and anything I put between the quotation marks is what's going to appear on the screen. So we want to say first point and going to be x, comma is above the 7, y, and then I want to end it with the quotation marks again. And then I'm going to prompt, so again, input, output, prompt, ask the user to put in a number, and then it sets it equal to that variable. So we want x, and we want y. Now we're going to ask for the second point. So program, display, quotation marks, second point. And we're going to call this one UV, simply because if we called it XY, it would write over the variable that we assigned. So we want two separate points, and then we're going to prompt for U, and we're going to prompt for V, and now we make the magic happen. We actually do the formula. So the slope is change in Y, so V minus the y coordinate, and then we're going to divide by this x2 minus x1, one more parenthesis, and then I'm going to store that to the variable m for slope, and we give you what you want. We're gonna type in the slope is, and then it should play a drum roll. I'm just kidding. Display M, and now let's try it out and make sure it works. So you go to program. I just hit the up arrow so I could go there faster. Slope. If I put in the point, let's see, if I put in the point 0, 0, and 6, 3, I should get 1/2 is the slope, because it'd be the change in y, so 3 minus 0 over 6 minus 0, which equals 1/2. It did it correctly. Congratulations, you have a working slope program. Thank you so much, and please check out the other videos for more programs for your calculator.